Corner View Farm Equipment has this 2012 CLAAS Jaguar 930 on the lot and available to head to your farm. This unit has been very well kept, and as you can see, it's very well maintained and in great condition. This Jaguar 930 has over a 400 horsepower Mercedes-Benz engine, which is very fuel efficient. This unit is four-wheel drive. It has just under 2,700 hours cutting and under 3,800 hours on the engine. Installed on this unit is a 24 knife drum with 12 knives currently installed. A Kernel processor is also installed and included in the price of this unit. This machine also includes an auto lubrication system, a rear view camera, a refrigerator, and climate control. All of our forage harvesters at Corner View Farm Equipment have been run through our inspection process and come with an inspection certificate. Repairs on this unit include new blower paddles as well as a new shear-bar. For more details and for a copy of our inspection certificate as well as Corner View Farms Equipment warranty details, please give us a call today.